I'm Lucie, I'm a French illustrator and I'm living in Brighton right now. Most of the time I'm finding my patterns on fabrics. I mean, it's a massive source of inspiration, but a more basic one is just sitting, for example, in a coffee shop and just looking at people passing through and try to sketch them really quickly and just catch some bits and pieces. What I really love to do is just to travel. So travel is not obviously going at the other end of the world, even if it's amazing. It can be just next door, next city, somewhere really close. Exploring the town, the place, taking picture of small details or sketching really quickly buildings, people you see and place you're going. I have an exercise I'm trying to do every day to write down 3 good moments that happened in my day. After that, I can reuse all of this information to create scene. When I was younger, my budget was something really difficult to work with, so my parents were really helping me to put everything on the paper and understand. It was just so complicated when actually it could be really simple. I think GoHenry is really helping kids manage their own money and access the tools adults have to manage their life, but at a younger stage. It's really practical because when you're arriving in the world, you know exactly how it's working. GoHenry wanted to work with young illustrator or artists to create a collection of cards from a main illustration. So it's the idea to zoom in and you can find the different little pieces to create the new cards. So here the scene was 2 teenagers in a bedroom and they are looking through this window where you have such an exciting world, really colorful, creative, dynamic, full of details, and you're just like, I want to go in this world, I want to see where is my place. Then getting these little details on your card and be like, yeah, I have a custom card, this is nice. When you're a young creative or you tend to be creative or you want to be creative, what I can advise is like everyday work for it. It's always trying to develop your creativity in another way. If you get stuck somewhere, go in different paths and then it will open possibilities for you to see differently. So many things can be seen, you just need to take time to see them.